Yeah, you're gonna love this hair. I am so obsessed about this hair right now. And it can be styled however you want. Into a bun, an updo, a downdo, a side style, whatever style you can think of. You can also leave it out and flaunt those beautiful coils or add a hair bow for a different look. It is honestly so beautiful, so cute, and I absolutely love it. Hi lovelies, and welcome back again to the channel. It's Mom and Pretty Missy here again, and we're here with another miracle knot crochet. This one is awesome, honestly. Lovelies, you're gonna be obsessed with this hair. For this style, I am using LuvMe 18-inch micro loop crochet hair. This hair came in this beautiful purple box, which is LuvMe's signature packaging. If you've been watching my videos recently, you already know that I've been using a lot of LuvMe hair, and for good reason. The hair comes clean, fresh, and ready to install. You don't have to wash it. It doesn't have any unpleasant smell, and it looks beautiful straight out of the pack because everything has already been done by the manufacturer. So here is the hair we are working with today. I am using 2 packs, and each ring contains 2 bundles, making a total of 4 bundles for this installation. The hair comes pre-separated, which makes the process even easier. All I had to do was remove it from the micro loop ring and take off the small protective covering. Once that was done, it is ready to use. The curls are beautiful, and each strand already has that individual knot in place. The great thing about this hair is that you simply crochet it into your natural hair. It is very beginner friendly hairstyle and surprisingly easy to install. Before we get into the installation process, you want to make sure your natural hair is properly braided, and that's the next step I'm going to show you. If you have natural hair like I do, make sure you moisturize it well before braiding. Looking at my hair right now, you probably wouldn't believe I already moisturized it, but trust me, I did. I simply went ahead and sectioned it out so I could braid it neatly. One important tip: don't make your sections too large, especially if you have thick natural hair. Smaller, cleaner sections will give you a much better result. It took me about 1.5 to 2 hours to section and braid my hair because I wanted everything to look as neat as possible. Even though I was tired by the end of it, I knew a clean foundation would make all the difference. A neat braid pattern is the foundation of a beautiful miracle knot crochet style. Now let's start installing the hair. The first thing here is to just separate each of those strands, and next I'm going to insert 1 crochet strand at the tip of my natural hair and braid it in securely so it wouldn't slip out. Then I moved a little higher up the braid, looped in another crochet strand, securing it with a knot, and finally I would be adding the last strand closer to the top of my braid and repeat the same process. And that's it, lovelies. We're simply going to continue repeating those same steps throughout the entire hair. It is very simple, and if you've watched my channel for a while, you've probably seen me create similar styles before. And one thing I really like about LuvMe hair is how easy it is to work with. The quality is excellent. I don't have to spend extra time washing the hair before installation because it already smells fresh and clean. There are no strong odors, which is something I really appreciate. The hair feels premium, well made, and thoughtfully designed. You can tell that a lot of effort went into creating a quality product. Whether or not they're actually number one thing I can confidently say about LuvMe hair is that the quality is definitely there. As you can see, I am taking my time with the installation. There is absolutely no need to rush. If you get tired, you can always take a break and come back later. What I find most time consuming is sectioning and braiding your natural hair, because you want to make it look neat and well detailed. You want to take time to section it and braid it out. Once that is done, the crochet installation is easy breezy. You simply follow the pattern of your natural braids and install the hair piece by piece, and before you know it, your hair starts filling up beautifully. At this point, I am getting to the front part of my hair, and it is easier. The more you go, the easier it becomes. I'm working on the final section, and I had only one bundle left because I already used about 3 bundles. So this is the last bundle. Honestly, I feel like I keep coming back to this hairstyle because it is easy, it is versatile, and it looks amazing on almost every face shape. Whenever I wear this hair out, people always stop me and ask where I got it done. They assume I went to the salon. I remember walking one day when someone stopped and said, "Your hair looks so beautiful. Where did you get it done?" And I was proud to say I did it myself. They were so surprised because, you know, they thought I had gone to a salon to get it done. And at the same time, they wanted to know the hair I used. Of course, I told them it was LuvMe micro loop crochet hair and pointed them to the website. And now, lovelies, we are almost there. I think I'm doing the last strand there. And here you have it. We're done. Officially done. Look at this hair. Look at how full and beautiful it turned out. The coils are absolutely everything for me. If you've been watching my channel for a while, then you already know I am completely obsessed with coily hair. I love the texture, I love the volume. To finish the look, I applied a little spray gel. I didn't use any mousse because I honestly didn't feel it was necessary. I wanted to enjoy the curls exactly as they were. Maybe after a week or two, I would add some mousse, but for now, I wanted to keep everything looking soft and natural. Then I had some fun styling it in different ways. I created a bun with bangs, wore it down, and even added a hair bow to show you different ways you can style this hair. So tell me, lovelies, what do you think about the hair? I truly feel like this hairstyle lives up to the name, Love Me. It's all about loving yourself, feeling beautiful, feeling confident, and embracing your own unique beauty. This hair makes me feel beautiful. It makes me feel confident and attractive. And I know you can achieve the same look and feel just as amazing wearing it too. All right, lovelies, I've dropped the link of this hair on the video description, so go ahead and grab that link and navigate LuvMe website. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you found it helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends, your family, and your loved ones, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. Thank you so much. Until I see you again next time, remain blessed. Dream